Hola, amigos. Welcome to Scarlett House of Languages. In just 5 minutes, you will learn the most essential Spanish words and phrases to start speaking confidently. Let's go. First, let's start with some basic greetings. Hola means hello. Buenos dias, good morning. Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Buenas noches, good evening or good night. When meeting someone, you can say ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? If I want to say my name is Ankita, I will say Me llamo Ankita. Next, you can ask ¿Cómo estás? How are you? If I want to say I'm fine, thank you, I will say Estoy bien, gracias. If the question is where do you live, you can ask ¿Dónde vives? If I want to say I live in India, I will say Vivo en India. How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Answer will be Tengo 25 años. If I want to ask, do you speak English? I'll say, ¿Hablas inglés? In the answer, sí, hablo inglés. Now, let's learn some important verbs that you will use every day. Querer, which means to want. You can make the sentence like Quiero un café. I want a coffee. Tener verb, which means to have. Tengo un coche. I have a car. Ser verb, which means to be. Soy estudiante. I am a student. Now, let's learn numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Must know words and phrases. First, por favor means please. If you want to say thank you, you can say gracias. You're welcome, it's de nada. If you want to say sorry, you will have to say lo siento. For yes and no, it's sí, no. Now, let's see if you remember. How do you say good morning in Spanish? And what does lo siento mean? Comment below with your answers and I'll check them. And that's it. You have just learned the basic of Spanish in just 5 minutes. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more fun language lessons. Hasta luego, amigos.